Dear friends, in this video we will learn about the date and time function. So let's start the session. Date and time function. So this date and time function. Now this function will show the current date and time like given December 22 is the date and then 2021. So through the help of now function we can easily check the current date and time. Today function, this function will shows today's date which is given here. Time function, this function will show the current system time. I hope you understood about the date and time function very well. That's all for this video. Dear friends, please like, share and subscribe this video.